Today, I want to talk about something simple, not controversial, not against anyone, just something most of us feel but rarely question. Years ago, life moved with the sun. People woke up naturally, stepped outside, worked, walked, ate fresh food, and slept when it got dark. Health wasn't complicated. It was built into daily life. Now, we wake up to alarms, check our phones before brushing, sit indoors under artificial lights, eat what's convenient, and when we feel tired, low, not fully ourselves, we don't ask, what changed in my lifestyle? We ask, which tablet should I take? Disclaimer. Quick note. This video is only for awareness. Modern medicine saves lives, and supplements are important when prescribed. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making health decisions. Let's start with vitamin D. Your body is designed to produce it from sunlight. Just 15 to 20 minutes of morning sun, and your system activates naturally. But today, we leave before sunrise, spend the day indoors, return after sunset. Then the report says, vitamin D deficient. Here's the irony. More than 70% of Indians are vitamin D deficient, in one of the sunniest countries in the world. So yes, doctors prescribe tablets. And yes, they help. But maybe the deeper issue is, are we lacking vitamin D? Or are we lacking sunlight? And it's not just vitamin D. Take vitamin C. When you eat an orange or amla, you're getting more than a single nutrient. You get fiber, antioxidants, natural compounds working together. But when we feel a cold coming, we reach for a tablet. Nothing wrong with that. But food builds strength daily. Supplements fill temporary gaps. Foundation first. Support second. Calcium. The same applies to bones. Earlier generations relied on food and movement. Milk, ragi, sesame seeds, daily activity. Today we sit more, move less, and expect a tablet to protect our bones. Supplements are essential in many medical cases, but they cannot replace lifestyle. Look at protein. Shakes are everywhere now, but most adults already get most of their protein from regular meals. Eggs, dal, paneer, chicken. Protein powder is useful, especially for athletes. But sometimes we add supplements before fixing our diet. And sleep. We scroll at midnight, carry stress all day, avoid movement. Then we say, I can't sleep. Sleeping pills are important in serious cases. But the body already knows how to rest. It just needs rhythm. I'm not saying supplements are bad. They correct deficiencies. They prevent complications. They save lives. But somewhere along the way, we started replacing habits with tablets. So before buying the next supplement, pause. Ask yourself, is my body truly deficient? Or is my lifestyle out of balance? Health is not natural versus artificial. It's about balance. And remembering what the human body was designed for. Subscribe and share the video.